We are thankful for your trust and faith to stay aligned, stay glowing, in this Align with Self, Glow with Soul series at Soul Aligner. Welcome again to this Connect with an Awesome Journey. In a world full of faces, friends, family, colleagues, we still find moments where the noise fades and a quiet question echoes within: why do I still feel alone? This episode unpacks that sacred ache, tracing it to your soul's map and offering the tools to realign, reconnect, and rise. We welcome you to Soul Synchronizer. Discover your cosmic blueprint, Align with Self, Glow with Soul series. Discover your cosmic blueprint as it's a live footprint. Again, ask same question to yourself. Why you feel things so deeply but act totally chill on the outside? Let's be a soul explorer. Ever feel like there's more to you than what people see? Like you are one person inside and a totally different version shows up at school, online, or in front of your friends. That's not weird. It's actually written in the stars. And this episode, we are gonna decode it. Meet your Atma Karak, a soul boss. It's a GPS of soul, shows our soul deeply craves in this lifetime knowing unknowingly. Atma Karak is indicator of our soul. Search Gemini Karkas on Google to find. If your Atma Karak is Lord Sun, your soul seeks truth, power, and purpose. You are born to shine, but ego struggles can eclipse your light. Learn to lead with heart, not just pride. Offer water to Surya at sunrise, in copper vessel adding turmeric, red flower, chant Om Surya Namah. Gaze at morning sunlight for 5 minutes. Respect your father or mentors. Can do Surya Namaskara. If Atma Karak is moon, your soul is soft, deep, emotional, a nurturer. You feel everything: joy, pain, intuition. Craves connection and calm, but may carry others' burdens like moonlight on water. Kindly chant Om Som Somya Namah at moonrise. Offer milk to Lord Shiva on Mondays. Gaze at the full moon in silence. Imagine and meditate on a white lotus blooming in your heart. Also, before sleeping, keep a cup of water near your bed. In the morning, throw it in a plant. It symbolically releases emotional buildup overnight. If Atma Karak is Mercury, Buddha, you're here to master the art of expression, heal through words, and turn knowledge into wisdom. Your soul is quick, curious, and clever, a communicator. Craves clarity and learning. But overthinking or scattered energy can cloud your message. If you are often misunderstood while communicating, write your worries in green ink and burn them. Feed green moong to parrots. Chant Om Budhaya Namah near Tulsi. Silence one morning a week to reset your mind. While chanting mantra in heart, feel calm. Practice 2 minutes of silence before speaking each morning, not meditating, just noticing the quiet. This improves Mercury's alignment with clarity in communication. Stay grounded, don't overthink. If Atma Karak is Mars, Mangal, your soul is a warrior. Bold, restless, action-driven. Craves movement, challenge, and truth. Anger may block your soul's fire. Learn to burn, not destroy. Do light a red diya before Hanuman every Tuesday. Chant Om Kujaya Namah with deep breath. Offer red lentils to the poor. Walk barefoot on red soil to ground fiery energy. You can start a day by walking barefoot on red tinted tiles or ground for 3 minutes while visualizing your anger turning into energy. Channel anger through sports or martial arts. Exercise regularly. For Atma Karak, if Venus, a planet that gives luxury, fame, then your soul desires beauty, harmony, and love. Artistic, romantic, and graceful, but attachment to pleasure can dull your inner glow. Chanting Om Shum Shukraya Namah on Fridays is going to help lot. Donate white rice or sweets. Wear clean, fragrant clothes. Meditate on a pink lotus. Offer rose water to Lord Lakshmi with devotion. Also, you can keep a tiny rose quartz stone or pink flower in your wallet or bag. Whisper your intention for love or beauty into it weekly. Practice self-love rituals like dancing, skincare, or music. We've explored the essence of Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, and Venus as your Atma Karaka. Each holds a key to your soul's growth. Simple acts, deep shifts, your journey's just getting brighter. Remedies so far? We've chanted, donated, fasted, and probably confused our neighbors. But guess what? Your aura's glowing, your karma's lifting, and your crush might have texted back. You seek peace, harmony, balance, but the real test? Not confusing pleasure with purpose. Your soul's higher calling is devotion to divine power, the kind that uplifts, not distracts. When you align, you radiate charm that isn't just skin deep, it's soul deep. Would you like similar blends for the remaining planets too, Jupiter and Saturn next? With Atma Karaka as a powerful Jupiter, Guru, the Dev Guru, you're a wisdom seeker. The soul wants truth, expansion, and higher purpose. But ego can creep in as I know best syndrome. Kindly chant Om Guruve Namah with turmeric bead mala. Feed yellow grains to cows. Avoid pride in knowledge. Teach someone without expecting anything in return. You are born to teacher to teach surely. Every Thursday, read or write one line of advice for your future self, no more, no less. It connects you to your inner guru. Fold your bedsheet slowly every morning while saying, I handle life's wrinkles with grace. If Atma Karak is Saturn, Shani, old soul energy. A mundane act, but Saturn respects effort. You came here to face tests, build resilience, and master time. Delays aren't punishments, they're soul. Strength workouts. Light sesame oil lamp on Saturdays to Lord Shani. Chant Om Kranaishcharai Namah. Donate black sesame or shoes. Sweep the floor before sunrise as a humility practice. Fold your bedsheet slowly every morning while saying, I handle life's wrinkles with grace. Our soul is here for deep lessons, growth through discipline. Avoid shortcut as shortcuts will turn long cuts. Mind it. Responsibility and karmic maturity. But if you mishandle Saturn's energy, you may feel stuck, emotionally heavy, or isolated. Don't rush, escape, or blame. Saturn asks for patience, discipline, truth. So now you know, your Atma Karaka isn't just a planet, it's your soul's secret mission written in ancient cosmic ink. And every chant, every ritual, every tiny remedy? That's you, walking back home to yourself. But wait, what about the world sees? The you that shines in a crowd, or hides behind a smile? That, dear soul aligner, is where your sun and rising signs step in. Your ego. Your mask. Your daily drama script. Next episode? We are decoding that wild combo, the inner flame and the outer filter. Why you feel one way, but act another. Why some people drain you, and others spark you alive. You've met your soul. Now it's time to meet your spotlight. Light a diya of intention, and prepare to glow. Because the story? It's just heating up. Hit like and subscribe if you are curious. For the next. Stay aligned, stay glowing, in this Align with Self, Glow with Soul series at Soul Aligner. Stay tuned.